This thing's back from one of my first videos that I've done. I did a fuel line to this thing, and he's still driving it. Yeah, it's April 14th, and we're supposed to get 11 to 14 inches of snow today on a Saturday, and this guy made me get off of my couch today so I could fix this thing. It's not charging. It's a 2.2 Cavalier. I'm going to put an alternator in it. First things first, you're going to want to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then you got the tensioner way down here. You can see it down there. That's your tensioner. So it's in that location. You can get at it from underneath with like a 3/8 ratchet. There's a little square on there. But I can get it from the top because I got one of these gear wrench belt tools. I'm gonna tip this upside down. Yeah, I put that on there. You just pull down on it. Then I can get this belt off of here. Like so. Okay, now that I got that in order, there's a little clippy thing on here. You pull this straight up, and hopefully it doesn't break when you try to take it off. That clip. Then there's a clip right here. There's a tab, you just pull back on it, pop it off. Then you got a positive terminal right here. It's got a 13 millimeter on it. Take it off. Yeah, the whole post is turning right now. I just turned it just a little bit, and I can feel the whole post turning. So I want to get there's a 13 on the back side. I got a cheap, skinny, stubby 13 millimeter that'll fit back there. You might be able to get a regular wrench in there too. Just hold on to that and get that off. There's a 13 millimeter here. There's a 13 millimeter back here. You can get at with an extension and a ratchet. You can get that with a ratchet and a little stubby socket. 15 millimeter. I can probably get a deep well on here too. That right there. I'll take this top one off last because it's the easiest to get at. I think that's it. Take it out. Sounds real good. Spins real nice. It spins like no resistance. Wow, that's a piece of crap. Now I'm gonna put a used alternator in this because I want everything on the car to match, and it wouldn't look right if I put a new one in here. It'd be the only new part on the whole car, except for that fuel line and maybe a couple hose clamps down there. And so yeah, I just can't do it because you know it wouldn't be fascist enough. It's a fashion statement, you know. Everything's got to match. If it doesn't match, it just won't look right. And this wonderful beauty, there is a bunch of just gooky, gunky, yucky goo in these grooves because it probably had a belt on here that's about as good as the one that's in this vehicle already. So, I don't know, just for fun, I'm going to clean the goo out of these grooves and let the goo drop in the car wherever it may fall. It'll just make it match some more. I probably don't need to do this, but I will, because I care. I'm going to try to line this up first. Stick the alternator in between there. Trying to start it. I can slam this in here like that. Put this back on. You know, that belt is old and crappy. I could recommend a belt, but I could recommend a whole car too, so I'm not going to recommend anything because he needs a car. Okay. Break out Mr. Voltmeter. 14.5 volts. That's good. That's what I want. Another job done, gone, bye-bye.